What's up? It's Luke. This is Vlog Optics. We're unboxing the DJI Mic 3, replacing my Rode over here. Let's see what's inside. Alright, always cut away from you. Alright, true story. I actually did open the top of this, and then I remembered I had to do an unboxing video, so that's some fake tape on the top. But I have not opened this yet. Alright, so on this order, I got DJI Mic 3 and the Sony Adapter. Let's have a look. Now, the reason I'm upgrading is I really don't like how big these Rodes are. They're just kind of ugly. They're in your face. They got a big logo. They got the big blue lights going. I never use the lav, so they never get hidden, and they just get put on people, and they're just big and ugly. Okay, so there goes an instruction manual. I've seen enough unboxings of these. Well, it's a weird feeling like plastic. It's like a kind of like, you know, when you like touch metal or you get like a chalkboard. It's like the plastic version of that. It's like a matte finish to it. All right, beautiful little bag. This is well nice presented. Check that out. All right, inside we've got some little wind muffs. So grey ones or black ones, depending on your vibe. Okay, put them to the side. And looks like little magnets. Oh yeah, they're stuck together. Okay. Cable. Alright, so you get a cool little, you get a USB cable, classic, and a coiled, like a pre-coiled aux cord. That's awesome. And last but not least is the actual pack. Damn, this is a really nice case. Cool. Alright, let's have a look. This is smaller than I expected. I don't actually have the case for these Rodes, so I've got to charge all of them by singular USB, and that means I've got to get all the audio off them by singular USB too. So I am going to be looking forward to all the data transfer of everything from this one USB drive over there. I'll be looking forward to that. I've become to hate these Rodes. Whoa, very nice. Oh, and it turns on. Half battery, nice when you turn up and something's already got a battery on it. Very good, very good. Beautiful case. This is like very well made case. It almost feels like I've got something brand new. Man, the amount of stupid stuff that I can say in one go. All right, little transmitters. Ah, this is beautiful. This is just what I want to see. Look at the size difference. Look at the size difference between these two. Look at that. That's less than half, probably like a third of the size. Yeah, maybe. Wow, beautiful. Can't wait to use these. All right, it's got a little haptic touch. I just pressed something and I got a vibrate out of it. Magnets are quite strong over here. I heard that they actually can be, I mean, if that's worn through a t-shirt, but usually when I'm using this, I'm using them for funeral, wedding, or wedding live streams. And if it's the pastor, or if it's usually because the lectern mic has got a big hard mic on it, and then I'll just clip this onto this shirt over there. So it's nice to have that clip. This clip was actually quite good on these Rodes too. Get that, these little charging things over here. I suppose they're for data transfer too. And then, oh wow, both of them the same. I wonder, can you get a white one of these? I know you can get a white one of the DJI Mic 2. And then the head control unit. Wow, very nice. Check that out. Wow, I'm psyched. I'm wrapped with that. I'm sure everyone's seen enough review videos of this to know what it does. This is just my first impressions. Alright, so I couldn't go without getting the Sony Adapter. Unbox this and have a look what's inside. Classic. Massive box, not very much inside. Alright, so I got my little ZVE1 over here, ZVE10 Mark II over here, not ZVE1, don't have one of those. And hot shoe down over there, presses in. Nice. Oh wow, that's actually nice and secure too. That's really nice and secure. Jeez, kind of get that out. Good, good. I guess that's what you got to do to keep that low profile, right? Like if you wanted a locking mechanism on there, then you'd have to, it would be taller. I can't get this off. Okay, so I couldn't get this off. There's a little unlock button here on the side. You press that and then this clip comes off, and then you use this adapter, slides in. Oh, look at that. And does it go both ways? It goes both ways. No, it doesn't go both ways. It only goes that way. If you want to have it on your camera, clicks in. Just like that. Wow, there you go. Check this bag out quickly. It's got cool little pockets, two little pockets over there, and it's even got another zip pocket. So I'm not going to be taking the USB around with me, and probably not the windsocks either, so just the actual case itself, and then the little Sony hotshot adapter has a little rubber cover on it. I'll chuck that in the little pocket over there, and we're good to go. How nice is that? It's actually a super nice case. Little seatbelt kind of material, pull tab there. Awesome. So yeah, there it is. The DJI Mic 3 unboxing. Can't wait to get into this. There's enough videos on YouTube of people doing sound tests and whatnot. I'm looking forward to, the Rode had good enough sound, lots of noise actually, so I'm looking for the noise floor to be a little bit quieter than that. I'm looking forward to the range of this. I don't have like the box, like the charging box for the Rode either, so I've got to put 3 USBs in to charge all of these, so it's going to be so awesome having this case and everything charging from there. Alright, that's my unboxing of the DJI Mic 3. If you want to support the channel, hit that subscribe. Want to buy one of my band's t-shirts, Exile, those posters behind me are some of the cool tours I've been on from around the world. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm Luke from Vlog Optics. I'll see you guys next time.